So in this video we will learn that how we can consolidate data from the multiple source. Like multiple source means 3-4 different sheets we have, and 3-4 different kind of data we have, yearly or monthly, that kind of. And now I want to consolidate it. Suppose a sheet, I have 5 sheets, sheet 1 2 3 4 5, like that way. And year maybe 2000 2001 2002, like that way. 5 6 10, or any different datas are scattered like anywhere. So it is so I want to consolidate those data, and I want to get the a structured report. So suppose here I have here I have taken one data for example purpose. Suppose east, for region we have, suppose east, north, south, west I have, and Q1, Q2 sales, Q3 sales, Q4 sales we have. But based every year, suppose I have taken here 3 years, 2022, 23, 24. So 24 we did like this, 23 we did like this, or 22 we did like this. In your case it might be different, might be another 2 sheets, might be another 1 sheets, like this kind of. So just to make you understand that how it works. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to get a consolidated data field. I want to get a consolidated sheet where we will get the total details. Total details means suppose east 2022 Q1 how much they did, 380. Then 2023 1918. Okay, 2024 this amount. So the total amount how much they did, suppose 1010 plus, suppose 10 plus, then 20 plus in the 2023, and then suppose 2024 they did 30. So the total amount how much they did, suppose total amount they have done 60. So this consolidated report I want as a pivot table. So in a structured way I want to get it. Okay, so how we will do? So I think you have got the idea. Suppose I have 3 years data here, a quarterly sales report I have, and now I want to get it done in a one sheet only. Okay, so that I can count then east 1 total how much they did, east, north how much they did, quarterly how much they did total, Q2 how much they did. So like that way. So what we will do, we will select, we will use a shortcut key that is called Alt D. It is not available here, maybe available, I don't know it properly, but the thing is shortcut key I know, that is Alt D and then P. So whenever we will select this, here a few arguments will come, like Microsoft Excel list or database, Excel external data source, or multiple consolidation range. So this is what we want, multiple consolidation range. Okay, and now here it is asking what kind of report do you want to create. Do you want to create a pivot table or pivot chart? So as of now we don't want to create a chart, we want to create a pivot table only. So it will stay like that way. Now I will click next. Now it is asking how many page fields do you want. So here it is asking create a single page field for me, or I will create the page field. So I will create it. I am entering this. Now it is next. Now it is asking range. So I need to provide the range. What are the sheets I want to consolidate. So what I will do, I will keep it here. Okay, now I will select the range. So 2024 I will select the entire range. Okay, now I will add. Now 2023 I will select the entire range, I will add. Now 2022 I will select the entire range and I will add. So 3 range I have selected, 2022, 2023, 2024. Now here it is asking how many page fields do you want. So as of now I will keep it default like 0. I will not change it. Okay, so I will go here. Now I will press next. So when I'm pressing next, so it is asking where do you want to put the pivot report. So do you want new worksheet or existing worksheet? So instead of existing worksheet I will say new worksheet only. So I will keep it like that way and I will make it finish. Now see how beautifully it has arranged all the data. So I will make it little okay. So now see how beautifully it has arranged all the data. See here the east quarter one total how much they did, this is the amount, and then north total quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four, and total how much they did. They have it has given me the data. Now I can again play with this. If I don't like the structure, I can play with this details, and what I will do is I will select the entire array. I will remove the decimal, okay, and now I will put a price. Okay, so this is the price. Okay, so price is coming like this way. Okay, so one more thing I will do, that instead of see here sum of value, I want to change the name. So that is also possible. How I can do, I will go to pivot table analyze, and then I will go to active field. Here you can see sum of value is there. So I will say quarterly quarterly sales report. Suppose this is the quarterly sales report. Okay, suppose this is it. So here you can see the name has been changed. Here also the name has been changed, but here it will not change. We can go here and it will not change here. Anyway, so I think you have got the idea that how we can do this, how we can consolidate this 2022, 2023, 2024. In your case it might be different, another two sheet might be there. So like this way you can consolidate the data. Again it decimal has been changed. So what I will do, I will go here, I will go to home, I will decrease the decimal. So here is my amount, or if I want to keep the decimal as well, so we can keep it. Okay, so now here I can change anything. I remove the row here, I don't need. So like this way it will come. It is not relevant anyway. So then I can play like anything. We can check cells, that is also I don't want. So see the value is not there. Okay, so we can play like this way. And column here, suppose I don't need, what will happen? Okay, this is only the total value is coming. Again I can modify this name. Okay, so I don't need it, I need it like this way. That is also possible. See, I have kept it, I have clicked it, so it has come to the row section itself. So now it is coming like this way. It is more, it depends on you how you want to get it. Suppose is to one you want to get it like this, not like you want to get it like this, or you want to get it like this way. Whatever, I think this is better because at a single glance you can watch it. So I think this is better. Anyway, so in your case again you can go design tab, you can change the color, all those things. You can change the color. Suppose I am changing this color, maybe anything. Okay, so this one. So this is done. So the main thing was we have consolidated our data from a different sheets, and we have got the result in a single sheet. Okay, so this is our intention was. So anyway, so we have got the idea how we can do this. I think you have learned something new, and you have got the idea how we can do it. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks.